Hello, everyone. Welcome to Gearbob Gear Advice. We're here in the middle of November in the Alps, and I'm getting 4 week to mountaineering. But first, before I go out, I want to be checking the damage on my gear of all the summer alpinism I've been doing. So in doing so, I was checking my crampons, and I saw that most of my points are quite dull at the moment. So today we'll be sharpening our crampons. Now here I have with me the Petzl Vasak 12-point crampons. So it's important to check always the technical specs of your crampons when sharpening them. It might be different for other brands like Gravel or Black Diamond, but for this job, Petzl recommends to just use a flat file for steel, because these are full steel crampons. We have also aluminum crampons with aluminum backpiece and stuff, but these ones are fully made of steel. And they also recommend using a vise. Now, I don't have a vise. I think it can be useful if you do it. But I found a way to just do it without the vise. What you will also need, because there's a lot of metal shaving coming off, is something to catch this off. You don't want to be stepping around in your own metal shavings to then destroy your floor. So I just use a canvas apron to catch off all the filing while I'm sitting down. And the sitting down part is actually quite interesting, because this is the way that I can keep the right angle on my crampons while I'm shaving material off. So what we'll be doing is making sure that we look at the direction of our points. So here, for example, on these two front points, they are going forward. So when we're front pointing in the ice, these are quite important to keep traction. If we're shaving off any material from the front side, we'll be lowering that angle more backwards. So what we want to do is shave only from the back side so that this angle stays the same. Also here on our two front points, we don't want to be shaving any material from the top or the bottom, but rather from the sides to make them more pointy. We don't want to make them thinner, because then that makes them more flexible. Perhaps they will bend a bit more. I doubt that these steel crampons will bend, but if we make them thinner, that might be an issue. So now, as I mentioned, it's quite easy to sit down to keep traction. I use this canvas apron, which is super strong and quite protective. Help me catch the iron shavings. You see, I've done one crampon already, and this is half of the material that's coming off. So it's quite a lot. So you want to really be catching all of these metal shavings that are coming off of your crampon. So let's say you want to shave off this backside of this front point. Then you basically want to find a good strong position where you can block your crampon onto your body or your apron. And you want to be filing in flat motion. You might be thinking, okay, how is it possible to just flatten out the crampon? But you will see that you're going flat, or if you're going sideways. If you're going sideways, you notice that the flat part will start making a little pyramid. And so if you're going flat, the whole surface will be flat. It's also good while you're doing it to, from time to time, just inspect if the part is still flat or not. It's not that specific, because you just want the point to be sharp, but the more precise you can be, the better, of course. So now if we start doing this one, we just block the crampon onto our body and the apron, and just file it in a long motion across the line, stabbing sharp. And so after a while, you will see that this whole part will start getting silver, nice and shiny, whereas the other part is still quite dull. So from this one, we will be shaving also the backside to make it pointy as well. So here, of course, on the right side, it's always easier if you're right-handed to shave from that side. I will, for this one, turn, and you'll find another position that works for me to really keep the crampon steady. So for me, that's this position. And here, I'm going to shave backwards. This doesn't really matter too much because we're just filing off material. As long as we're flat and we're creating that shape of the point, it's not really that specific in which direction you shave. You just want to be taking off material, and you want to be doing it in long motions. So here, you're going to start shaving off. You will see quite fast that the whole part will start getting flat and shiny, and you're doing a good job. If it's making a noise, then maybe try changing the hand position, but in general, it's quite easy to do so. So yeah, just keep doing that. Here on the front points, I just went sideways to try to keep the middle point of the crampon always in the same side. So if you take off any material from one angle, you will change the position of that point. So try to take material from both sides so that that point stays right where it was. Here on these two next points, you want to be taking off material from the back side. And all the other points are basically going straight down. So here, the same as the front points, we want to keep that point in the middle. So here I've shaved off from the front and the back side to make it pointy again. Same from the back side, only these two in the back. I feel like they're going to one way. So I only took off material from the inside to keep that outer point. But that's basically it. So just have a look where the points are going. Same here with the heel points, these second to last points. They're also going forward. So here I also only took off material from this backside and not from the front. So yeah, that's basically it. I will drop all of the technical documents or the links to the Petzl website in the description. And if you like this video, just like this video, subscribe maybe, and I'll be making a lot more of these technical videos or gear advice videos. So I hope you like this, and there's more coming. See you soon. Bye.